What's going on, everyone? Shane here from Discover 4x4 Adventures, and today we've been given the new HIKEit Throttle controller chip. So the HIKEit X9 throttle controller. I've done a bit of research about this. It seems like it's the newest, most up-to-date throttle controller on the market at the moment. I mean, it's got all the features that most other throttle controllers use, plus a whole heap of extras. Unlike all the other standard conventional throttle controllers out in the market, they only have about 9 to 18 settings at most. The HIKEit allows you to have a total of 32, which is heaps of settings. You can adjust it to suit any style of driving, from off-road to road highway. It's even got an overtaking mode, so if it hasn't been touched in 5 seconds, you press the button and it sets to go, overtake it, no dramas whatsoever. This thing sounds like it's the best, newest thing out there. So I'm keen to go test this one out. So I thought, why not show you guys how easy these things actually are to install, and well, pretty good testing ground as well. Why not come out to the beach? Shame it's pretty bad weather though, but can't win them all, can you? It's actually a bit too windy outside, so I'm gonna have to show you everything get inside the car. Yeah. Alrighty, so the HIKEit X9. Let's see what we get inside it. Instructions. Oh, there we go. Pretty neat looking little unit. What else do we get now? Oh yeah. Plug and play. More fitting instructions. Nice cleaning wipe. And some stickers. Boy, I know where these are going. Alright, so there's the actual plug that goes into your throttle. That there just goes to the actual chip itself. And up here is the face unit that you see. That probably stick on my dash. Just go look for a spot. Whose idea was it to come out to the beach and do this? It's so windy. Anyway, I've gone out and just stuck it down here, out the way, because you don't really need to fiddle with it too much. But it's still pretty accessible when you do need to change it to overtaking mode. If you want to go off-road and make it more, less, it's up to you. It's still pretty easy to get to, so that's not too bad. Alright, now we just gotta unplug this, just like so. Grab the HIKEit one. You can stop fiddling around with it and actually plug it in. Alright, now that they're both plugged in, grab these two and clip, and then she's plugged in. That's it. Alright, now that's all plugged in. Just gotta zip tie everything up, make sure no wires are gonna be in the way. Actually, I should probably test to make sure it works first before I do that. Might be smart. Alright, the moment of truth. Just gonna find me keys. Bam. She's alive. So we've got sport mode, racing mode, auto mode, economic mode, off, cruise mode, and that's it.